day 36. Let's go. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. What day is it, Tina?
It's day 36.
Day 36.
Day 36.
Done, Tina. If you've been with us from the beginning,
Day one.
from day one, that's fantastic, and well done for being here.
If not, we just thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, it is a beautiful day. The
It's a
wind's
beautiful
blowing.
day. It's windy, so it's plus 15 today. The sun's out. There's a bit of just a little nip because it's morning time. So there's always a little nip in the air in the morning, which is great for when you're walking.
It's
So you don't
perfect.
get
In fact,
overheated.
it's my favourite. actually.
Yeah,
Cold
yeah.
summer
Much rather
mornings.
go this time of the morning than.
Yeah, it's better for Lily as well. So
It
she
is.
she doesn't do too well in the heat. I don't know if you saw the other one yesterday. She was
Yeah,
a bit,
she was getting
she's a bit
overheated.
fagged
so,
out there, wasn't she?
Yeah.
Fagged out. So how's your Monday? Have you made plans for this week?